Life insurance companies are playing both sides of the same coin. What am I talking about? Well, let's do a video follow-up because I love your feedback and your information that you keep relaying along. So we've been talking about what's been happening with life insurance companies and trying to figure out the payments or the payouts to beneficiaries since mid 2020, right? Just trying to kind of go along and kind of figure out what's happening. And I got a very intriguing Skype call last night, like very late Skype call last night, with someone that's been in the insurance industry for 24 years now, selling life insurance and travel insurance. Now, this person, felt that I'm not a positioned, I don't know, like a positioned journalist in a way where I'm not bought and paid for, and I would basically tell it how it is or bring the story forward. I'm not like situated. I don't know how he said it. He said it in a very technical term that I'm kind of doing my own thing, even though I don't consider myself a journalist, but I do like to discuss and bring and connect the dots. And he basically told me, and I'm going to break it down for you very simply. Now, if you took juice, okay? If you trusted the science and took juice and something was to happen to you, well, the life insurance companies would just generally say, well, we didn't recommend this. This is not tested. We don't know why you would take that. So unfortunately, we cannot pay out beneficiaries. So we covered this already back in early 2021 when we're getting reports on this. Hold on. Now they're going to be playing both sides of the coin. Now it's both sides on the same coin, and it's very interesting. Heads I win, tails you lose. So there's no way of winning it, right? Now, this is according to him, starting in February 2024, that, oh, you took it? Oh, let's do the autopsy. Let's say the autopsy does get it could have been, from complications from, Okay, so unfortunately we can't pay out because it wasn't tested. But here's the flip side of it. Now they're going to say, oh, they never took it. Oh, then we can't pay you out then because they never took it. And they could have potentially extended their life or they could have potentially extended their lifespan if they did take it. So unfortunately, we can't pay you out. So now what they're going to do is, if you took it, they can't pay you out because nothing's tested and nothing is for sure. And we knew that. But if you didn't take it, oh, that's too bad. Because unfortunately, if they did take it, it would have obviously helped with longevity and extend lifespan. But unfortunately, we can't pay you out then. So life insurance companies, according to him, the memo is basically so they don't pay out. So life insurance companies don't want to pay out. That's their jobs, and they want to collect, but they don't want to lay, right? So, okay, you took it, you're screwed. You didn't take it, oh, that's too bad. So you see where we're going with this, right? And he was basically very frantic, and he really didn't have anyone to speak about it. He wants to go to like a major publication or mainstream media. I told him, get in touch with some really big wigs out there that could really take this. And you know what he told me? Mike, nobody wants to touch this. Nobody wants to touch what I have to say and what we've been, talking about on conference calls and all this stuff. Nobody wants to touch it for some reason in the big enchalons, the big rumble heroes, the big, the heroes to, these big post-COVID heroes that showed up after COVID. They don't want to touch it. I'm like, what? He's like, nope. I could show you all my certificates. I could send you, show you everything you need to know. I don't need to know. I know. You obviously you talk the business, you understand the business, you've been around the business, you know what the business is about, and it's life insurance, and he's worked in the travel insurance business too. And he's saying February, if you took it, well, then there's no scientific or whatever, and you are basically at fault for that. And if you didn't take it, well, that's probably why you died, because you didn't take it. So they're going to play both sides of the same coin. And guys, I don't know why, just mainstream media isn't exploring some of this basic, just never mind what I talked about here. Okay, never mind. I'm just talking about some of the things that are going on, and they're on this financial front. Finance, housing, finance, inflation is now the new war. The whole thing is fizzling out in the Ukraine. So now they gotta either go to a hot war there. Like I said in a prediction video, Zelensky's got till Christmas to take Crimea, or they're gonna throw him under the bus. And back to, nobody's discussing the euthanasia. How we brought up that I made that video 8-9 years ago discussing euthanasia, how 1 in 10 Canadians by 2025 will be euthanized. And then fast forward to 2023, I made an SOS video stating that, hey, guys, somebody needs to explore this. The Daily Mail in England did, and saying euthanasia in Canada is out of control. But nobody else, none of the big wigs, I call down big names to help, to look, I don't want this prediction to come true. But no one's touching it. No one's exploring it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really look forward to seeing what you guys have to say about what is going down. I'd like to know, please. Life insurance companies is a follow-up video from our past 4 videos that we made. And leave your comments below. Let me know what's going on. Have you lost someone? Have you been paid out? Are they giving you a tough time? Are they giving you the ring around? Are they wasting your time? Are they basically destroying, you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm just gonna go on and talk here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Look forward to reading them. And thanks for the updates and the information. And these Rumble heroes or post-COVID heroes need to start exploring actual things that are affecting us on a day-to-day basis, because it's grim, but we need to unite and stand together. Mike Martins here. I have spoken.